Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So 1 year later, not very many phones can make it a year and still work or still be looking pretty good, in good shape, and still rolling along. Now this phone hasn't gotten any software updates lately. It hasn't gotten much support lately. However, if you have one and it still works, I want to hear from you. Is it banged up? Are things messing up for you? How is it holding up? 1 year with this phone has been great for me. No problems at all. It is actually one of my favorite phones, and I was really happy to get it in hand. And I think ZTE did right by the customers by making this phone. This was probably one of the top selling phones that they had outside of the Z Max Pro. The hardware on here is just absolutely great. I mean, you've got a nice fingerprint reader, camera, Type-C, headphone jack, huge display. And it looks like it's metal, but it's not. It's actually plastic. So they did a good job with making this phone look like it's really premium. So I wanted to make a quick fan video for ZTE, let you guys know you did a great job. While the phone is not flawless, it does need some updates in the camera department and things like that, and some RAM, you know, maybe a new processor in the second version of this phone. I'm pretty happy with what you guys put together for what it was a year ago, because there are a lot of phones out there that really couldn't do it like this and keep the price really low. So I'm looking to see what you got, ZTE, for 2019. Are you gonna bring another one? You gonna give us another version of this phone, the Z Max 2? That would be really sweet. Here's my predictions. Here's what I would like. A bigger screen in this same body, stretch it out a little bit, on-screen buttons. That will do it for you. On-screen buttons, lose the capacitive buttons, give us 4 gigs of RAM, and give us at least a Snapdragon 660, and I think we'll be doing fine with just as is. Obviously, you'll need to upgrade the cameras as well, and you don't have to have dual cameras. One single camera is better than 2 cameras that are not that great. Make sense? It's your man Jay Will. Tell me about your Blaze Z Max that you still have and are using and you don't plan on getting rid of. Some of you guys still have the Z Max Pro too. That's another good one. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.